John Holland is a diversified engineering construction company. We operate in Australia, Southeast Asia and New Zealand. We employ approximately 5,000 people and we have approximately 100 projects underway at any given time. And what we need to do is we need to find ways that can empower our people to be more efficient and have better information. Then Desktop 7 enables us to do that.
My name is Will Freelander. I work for John Holland in major excavation and tunnelling. The North West Rail Link is a rail system supplying Sydney with much needed infrastructure. It's one of the largest tunnel excavations to be constructed in Sydney. On the project there are roughly 500 design packages, and each design package would have up to 100 to 200 drawings, and each detail is critical. I used to print off the packages once per week to make sure I had the most up-to-date information, and then pushing them down gumboots, carrying them in the front of my shirts, and in every pocket in my pants and shirt was just one of the methods to try and make sure I had the information with me, because to get back to the office from where you are and get a particular detail could mean a workforce standing around waiting for 20 minutes, thousands of dollars being lost by the minute. So having the information at hand is critical. So nowadays I carry my iPad with me everywhere. The virtual desktop through Citrix is the one I use day in, day out. Being able to get live up-to-date access to the different spreadsheets that we're running, the calculations that we're doing, or the drawings that we're producing is critical.
If we look at our journey with Citrix, what we have done is remove the dependency on site service and enable the tablet experience, and there's a lot in between those two things. In some of our locations, people continue to work on the desktop and use Citrix as a solution, and where we've got fantastic wireless access, our people perform their tasks on a tablet. Technology is at the core of everything that John Holland does, and we're constantly looking at how we can reduce our costs and provide a better employee experience. Mobility provides us with a range of benefits, efficiency, and it enables our people to spend more time in the field. And the use of that technology enables information sharing, but more importantly, what it does, it brings our people together. That technology is really the cornerstone or the foundation of enabling our people to get a shared understanding of what we're here to deliver.
We work in an industry with very real risks that can involve loss of life and serious injury. Making sure that an incident doesn't occur is the #1 issue that I deal with day in and day out. Access to information, making sure that our inspection and test plans are being completed correctly is the best way to control those risks.
So this is another key area. When you actually go to close a workload out, your quality...
John Holland's powered by people. At the centre of the IT strategy, we are placing the employee at the centre of everything that we do. They can balance their work with their life and ultimately have a better experience.
I'm married with 3 kids. I've got twins that are 2.5 and a 4-year-old. I've been able to accommodate my work life within my family life. I've generally been home for bath time and dinner and stories, so I get to enjoy that with my kids and wife every night. And in the morning, with the Citrix technology, I can access the document management system and the daily diary to see what happened overnight. I can log on to the webcams and see what's happened overnight on the night shift, and then driving into work, be using that already, planning the day, so that by the time I walk into the office, I'm already an hour into the planning of the day. It's made my work more effective. I'm a happier person. People used to accommodate work and have to meet very rigid guidelines. Now, they're more flexible. I can have the best of both worlds.